Hey, what's up guys? So I've recently got this Spigen case for my Galaxy Watch 6 Classic 47mm version, and this one is called Liquid Air. There's another case that Spigen makes which is like the armor case. It's very hard and very big, but I wanted something that had a more basic profile, very limited profile, and looked very slim and smart on the watch because the watch itself is quite big, so I didn't want a big case for it. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. It comes in this one, there's nothing else here. So that's the case itself and the installation menu. Let's go ahead and take a look at the case. It's a basic rubber case or silicone case, and we have cutouts for the buttons on the right side, and then we have this cutout here on this side for the bezel, so we can rotate the bezel. But that's it. We have it just on one side, not on the right side. Sometimes I like to rotate the bezel with both the index finger and the thumb, but with this case on you can only use your thumb. So let's go ahead and put this case on the watch and see how it works. First we have to remove the straps, and now I have to say that the more I have been removing these straps, the easier it has gotten with these buttons now. So it's very easy now actually. When I first unboxed the watch, it was pretty difficult, but practice has made it easier for me. And now we need to make sure that we align the buttons and the cutout for the bezel. So let's just go ahead and put this in. Okay, it's not a seamless process to put this case on, and absolutely not seamless to take it off, because putting it on is a hassle. I'm guessing taking it off will be even more of a hassle. So now let's put the bands back on and they click into place. So there you go, that's our Spigen case, liquid air case for Galaxy Watch 6 Classic 47mm version. So this is the cutout that allows you to rotate the bezel, but then you only have this cutout and you can only do it with your thumb, not with the finger. And the other thing that I've noticed here is that these cutouts are flush with the buttons, so you lose that raised bulge of the buttons, and they are difficult to feel and you really have to press them in order to press them. So you see that they're really flushed with the case. I would have really liked if there was a bit of a bulge with the buttons so I could press them more easily. And let's put it on. So see, I was pressing here when the button's here, so it's confusing. Maybe with practice and after using it for a while it will get better. So that's the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic 47mm version with the Spigen Liquid Air case on. Now the good thing here is that the bezel is really easy to use. There is absolutely no friction in moving the bezel. The downside is that now you only have this thumb to rotate your bezel, or you can perhaps do like this if you want to rotate it, but this side is gone. In fact, the whole of this is gone, and just this like 20% bit of the bezel is usable to rotate the bezel. But if you want to protect the watch, you have to make this sacrifice. Now the real challenge is to take this off, which is where I think is the biggest con of this case from Spigen for Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, because it takes a lot of effort to take this case off and a lot of time, and you also have to remove the bands. So now let's get ready for this struggle. And I'm actually really scared that I don't damage the watch while taking this case off. I wish they had provided a tool to take this case off, and just taking this off makes me want to not put it back on again. And because I don't know how much damage it does to the watch while we are struggling to do this, So there you go, finally the case is off, and I'm really having second thoughts about putting this case back on the watch. So that's it. That's the Spigen Liquid Air case for Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.